Members of the new Meiji government needed to find a way to make the new regime seem legitimate. They didn't need to make the emperor seem legitimate, of course. He was legitimate by virtue of being the emperor. But it was the young members of the new government who needed to make themselves seem like they were legitimate heirs to political power in Japan. And so these dynamic young leaders of this new government, the fathers of modern Japan, came here to pay their respects to Yoritomo and claimed that they were descended from key members of Yoritomo's first shogunate. This tradition of political legitimacy by descent is a theme in Japanese politics that even runs into modern times and to modern leaders. And they demolished the temple where Yoritomo's grave stood because the coexistence of Buddhism and Shinto as a dualistic faith was not to be tolerated. The emperor was to be venerated above all else, above even Yoritomo.